How to get best Wayfair coupon code at their first order. Now, before you go ahead and access Wayfair and then order your favorite furniture or any decorations that is suitable for your home, is we'll go ahead and try to look out for a working coupon code. Now, on your working browser, just simply head over into this website that's called Coupon Follow. It should be on the very first result that you'll see if you're using Google Chrome or any other web browsers out there. And this is going to be their dashboard. Now just simply head over to search for a store and type in Wayfair, and you will get three results: the general Wayfair, Wayfair UK, and then Wayfair Professional. Doesn't matter actually, so just choose on the very first, which is the general Wayfair. As you can see, there are multiple options from here that you can choose. So say for example, you already have an option, just simply click on see coupon, copy that unique code, paste it into Wayfair's official website, and then you should be able to use this. And that is how you find the best Wayfair coupon code on your very first order.